Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be replacing my gear pedal. So far it's not looking so great, so I'm going to try and make this one a bit of a short, quick one. For those of you who pretty much know what you're doing, then it's down to you whether you carry on watching this. But for those of you who are still new to this, hopefully it'll just be a little insight on what to do, and hopefully you'll find it interesting and informative. So firstly, all I'm going to do is, you don't want your gear pedal looking like this. And all I'm going to do is go from having the gear pedal the way it is, going to look like this. So stay tuned. Like I say, I'm only planning on it being a short video, as short as possible, and I'm going to try and show you the best I can how I'm going to do it. So stay watching and enjoy. So firstly, all I've gone and done is got a 10mm, if you can see it, a 10mm socket, obviously wrench, if that shows up. Yep, 10mm socket. What I've gone and done is set it to undo, and as that is getting more and more loose, there we go. Well, that's the bolt there. It focuses, here we go. It's the bolt there, and that's how it's looking now. So I think where it's gone, I've gotten it this badly, so no one's fault. And where it's pinched, right there, it's right. Let's get it off, and it does not look very nice at all. I've had to get a screwdriver to put in to that gap there to prise it open slightly, but really I've had to put a washer in there because I've had it on there for so long. My own fault really. Yep. So now what I've got to do, give that a clean up. Well, that's tidied up as much as possible, as much as I can get it cleaned up. It's not fantastic. Not fantastic. Could look a lot better. But now to put the new one on, brand spanking new. As this goes through there is obviously a gap there, but I don't know if you'll be able to see that there is a gap there. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. But if you can see, there's a gap right where you can see very hard to show, but that gap, that where there's a gap, basically where the bolt is, that will clamp that down, but this screw has got to go against this slot, this marker where there's a gap there. Where's the focuses? Right, this gap here, that's where the bolt's got to go past. It's got to sit in that gap. And then the teeth, as it were, will bite onto this, and the bolt will sit in this gap. I think that's going to be best looking. So then that way my foot can be clicking it down, clicking it up. I've not done it up yet, but I think that's the position I'm going to have it. Nice new teeth going into the splines, into the actual gaps. Now all I've got to do is put the bolt in and clamp that up. Right, as I've tightened it so much, the gap in the middle has closed up. So all it will do is, even now, that looks better. So let's try and close that gap up. Right, I think that's closed enough. One thing you don't want to do is do the threads in, but already that looks nice and tight already. So a little, hopefully that's made it a bit clearer for you, and hopefully it's helped you out. If it has, then awesome, give it a little thumbs up. I've got other videos on how to do other bits, so yeah, subscribe to it, and I'll try and put some more videos up. And I hope that helped you out. It's not as hard as some people make it out to be, but hopefully, like I said, I tried not